All right, so here's the day. I got almost everything I need to get on the water, motorized on the kayak. So here we go. This is the setup. I got my Newport vessels, 36-pound through kayak version. Got this off Facebook Marketplace for 150 bucks. 2 motors for 150. Then I got brand new DC House 50AH batteries. More expensive than the motors, which is nuts. But here's my problem, right? And I disconnect the battery so I don't turn it on by mistake. So here's my problem. In this big kayak, there is no way to reach this tiller handle from the seat. There's just no way, right? So most people would just put an extension. In order to address the problem of how do you reach your tiller handle from your seat, this is a tandem kayak. This is the closest seating option to my motor. And there is just no way that I could be using this kayak sitting down with the extended tiller handle. So you could get one of these, and this happens to be a Minn Kota non-telescoping tiller handle, which will go in here and it still makes it really short. So there's an option. The option is this helmsmate telescoping articulating handle, which very nicely goes in there without the rubber piece that goes in. Now this makes it so that you could be sitting here and you can articulate and turn, and now you can steer your engine, control the speeds, and you can do it. Now this works really well because it's telescoping, so you can change it however you want, wherever that button is. I forgot where it is right now. So you can change it. So there's a problem with this configuration. This helmsmate 51-inch works great when you're in the back of this crescent crew. But when you make it a solo, from a tandem to a solo, you move the seat forward. Now you're kind of sitting in a way that you're controlling the engine this way, which is really weird, right? So what's my solution? Take this guy out, and you're gonna combine the two. There it is. There's a combination of both tillers. This is the Minn Kota, and this is the helmsmate. You can get any tiller, right? Now you got full control all the way over here in the front, and you can control it comfortably on this very long kayak. So if anybody has a very big long kayak like this crescent crew, this is probably the best way to do it. You can control it all the way from the front and not have to reach back to control your engine.